Welcome to the Professional Certificate Program in Video Editing, Reel Making, and AI Video Production. This program will help you master Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Gen AI tools to create cinematic visuals. The program duration is 4 to 6 months, with 180 to 220 total training hours. We will cover a range of tools, including Premiere, After Effects, InVideo AI, Runway ML, and Canva AI. This video editing program is suitable for students, YouTubers, marketers, freelancers, and business owners. You will learn professional editing, motion and VFX, AI video production, and color and sound design. You will be able to create Instagram Reels, YouTube videos, corporate explainers, and AI-generated clips. Program inclusions cover instructor-led training, LMS access, placement support, and certification. The program highlights include over 10 real projects and 3 industry case studies for practical experience. You'll receive mentored reviews and a freelancing playbook to learn pricing and client funnel strategies. Learning outcomes focus on end-to-end editing mastery, motion graphics and VFX, AI video production, and building a client-ready portfolio for high-paying gigs. The program focuses on editing in motion with Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects. You will master AI and productivity tools like Runway General 4.5, InVideo AI, CapCut AI, Canva AI, and Topaz Video AI. Core skills covered include storyboarding, pacing, color grading, sound design, social formats, and video SEO basics. The complete workflow spans from concept to publishing. Adobe tools like Premiere Pro are ideal for professional, long-form work. AI tools like CapCut are great for fast social media editing, while Descript is perfect for dialogue-heavy content. Runway Gen 3 and InVideo AI are used for AI generation, while Topaz Video AI handles quality restoration. AI tools offer a 91% cost reduction, are used by over 124 million people, and are seeing 73% adoption by large companies. Our learning pathway takes you from 0 to pro in 4 to 6 months. Month 1 focuses on foundations. Month 2 dives into Premiere Pro for advanced cuts and color grading. Month 3 covers motion and VFX using After Effects. Month 4 introduces AI video tools. Finally, months 5 and 6 are dedicated to career launch, culminating in a capstone project. Phase 1, the Foundations Month, covers core modules like industry basics and story and script. You will learn about video formats, aspect ratios, codecs, and storytelling fundamentals. Practical skills include camera and shooting basics like ISO and aperture, and lighting techniques. Hands-on projects involve creating a social cut and executing a script-to-screen reel production. Phase 2 focuses on Premiere Pro for professional editing. Core modules include editing workflow, titles and audio, and color correction and grading. You will master lumetri color, primary color correction, audio mixing, and noise removal. Hands-on projects include producing a cinematic reel, a YouTube intro, and a multicam podcast edit. Phase 3, After Effects, Motion and VFX, includes modules on motion basics and animation design. You will learn about compositions, keyframes, titles, and social media graphics. Visual effects training covers green screen keying, background replacement, masking, rotoscoping, and 2D/3D tracking. Projects include creating a brand intro, a motion reel, and a VFX microscene. Phase 4 is dedicated to AI video and content production, mastering a future-ready hybrid editor workflow. Modules cover AI video generation, smart editing, and content strategy and optimization, using tools like Runway, InVideo AI, and CapCut AI. Projects include creating an AI explainer video, 5 viral reels, and a YouTube SEO video with AI-driven metadata. The program includes 10 practical projects and 3 case studies. Projects range from Instagram Reels and YouTube vlogs to product ads, animated logos, and short films. Case studies include creating a viral clothing brand reel using Premiere Pro and BeatSync, and a corporate brand ad with After Effects and color grading. Review our student portfolio and projects, showcasing diverse creative outputs. These examples include a fashion reel edit using Premiere Pro and a cinematic travel vlog story. Other projects cover product advertisements, animated logo reveals, AI explainer videos, short film trailers, and more using a range of professional and AI tools. Analyze the market demand and trends, focusing on India in 2026. Key drivers include OTT and streaming, digital advertising, and the creator economy. Salary trends show growth from 2 rupees and 50 paise 4 lakhs for entry-level positions to 10 lakh rupees plus for seniors. The impact of AI efficiency is also significant, showing a 91% reduction in production costs. Explore career and freelancing opportunities with monthly salary bands for India. Entry-level ranges from 15,000 rupees to 30,000 rupees. Mid-level positions offer 40,000 rupees to 80,000 rupees, and seniors can earn 1 rupee L to 1 rupee and 50 paise L plus. Freelance project rates range from 5,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees, with monthly retainers from 30,000 rupees to 1 rupee L. Placement pathway offers comprehensive support. Facilities include portfolio reviews, resume critique, and interview preparation. We also provide assignment support, industry connects, and internship recommendations. The BIT Advantage includes access to the LMS Career Hub, Alumni Network, and instant job alerts. The IIT Patna certification provides significant value with national recognition and an industry-aligned curriculum. Hear from successful alumni, like Rohan K., who transitioned to a junior video editor role with a 60% salary increase. Neha M. notes that the portfolio development and mock interviews were game changers. Choose your training mode: instructor-led online classes with access to recordings, or classroom training at the BIT Baroda campus with lab and face-to-face sessions. The BIT LMS portal provides access to recordings, project resources, assignments, and mentor feedback.